While keeping fit is an important part and aspect of a healthy lifestyle, sports-related injuries can also happen. 3 common injuries include sprains, minor cuts or grazes, or even cramps. Sprains can affect the muscles and ligaments, while it can also cause pain, swelling, bruising, and even restricted movements. While tending to the sprain, use the RIC method: rest, ice, compress, and elevate. Cuts and grazes are common injuries that people get while playing sports. Grazes are when the top layer of the skin is scraped off, while cuts are when the skin is fully broken. Apply pressure to the wound until it stops bleeding, and once it stops bleeding, clean the wound by either using running water or using saline solution. Use a sterile gauze and a plaster to cover the wound. If the wound continues bleeding, or if you suspect an infection, seek medical help immediately. Many people will experience muscle cramps, especially if they overexert themselves or if they do not exercise regularly. Gently stretch the cramped muscle to reduce pressure and hold the stretch until it stops cramping. For severe cramps, you can try massaging the area or using ice pack to alleviate the sore muscles. Remember to stretch before and after your workout, and remember, drink enough fluid to prevent dehydration and muscle cramp. Of course, if you feel faint or dizzy throughout your workout, stop the workout immediately. Stay safe out there and see you on the next one.